In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload video on Google Drive and share the link. First, on the top left corner and click on new. Now go to the file upload, click on that. Now select your video file, which one you want to upload, and click on open. And on the bottom right corner here you can see the video is uploaded. Now refresh the page and this is the video we have uploaded. Now let's make a shareable link. Now right click on the video and then on the middle hover on share. On the right side click on share. Now go to the bottom and click on restricted. Now switch to anyone with the link and keep it as a viewer. You can make it editor so anyone can delete this video. So you can make the user role as a viewer and then copy the link, click on done. Now you can share this link anywhere like this, and this is the video link. So now anyone can visit this video. So this is how you can upload video and share the link with anyone. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe this channel.